Shiba Inu is beginning to bounce back after yesterday's market fall, which was less devastating than anticipated. Actually, it brought to light some significant Shiba Inu advances. The development team has issued what they are referring to as the asterisk final warning asterisk after more than 150 billion Shiba Inu tokens disappeared from circulation in less than an hour. Why? Whales are performing some of the most spectacular maneuvers we have ever witnessed as the largest event in Shiba Inu history gets underway. However, what is actually taking place, and why should we have hope for the future? Let's get started and dissect everything. Asterisk asterisk warning, asterisk asterisk. Before we begin, keep in mind that investing in cryptocurrency always entails risks, and that this is not financial advice. Let's get started now. Shiba Inu wasn't exempt from yesterday's turbulence in the Bitcoin market. Even experienced investors can be alarmed by crashes like these, but this one had more serious ramifications than simply another decline. Unexpectedly, a lot of specialists and observers are reading the recent developments as a strong bullish sign for Shiba Inu. It seems illogical, doesn't it? A big crash that makes you excited rather than afraid. As I explain how this recent volatility may lead to a historic breakout for Shiba Inu, please stay tuned. One of the most severe crashes in recent memory occurred. The market's long and short bets totaling more than $1.5 billion were wiped out during yesterday's trading session. In a single day, the price of Shiba Inu fell by almost 25%, reaching its lowest levels since late November. These kinds of situations try investors' patience, particularly those who are holding out hope for a rebound. However, this is where the situation becomes even more intriguing. In a single day, the market's major participants, the whales, unloaded around 1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, according to on-chain statistics from asterisk asterisk Intofoblock asterisk asterisk. This amounts to the removal of $30 million worth of SHIB tokens from their wallets. Naturally, the community was rocked by such a large sell-off, which caused anxiety and uncertainty about the token's future. Some owners started to fear that this was the beginning of Shiba Inu's demise. But then something unexpected happened. Not just Shiba Inu was affected by the sell-off. Almost all of the major cryptocurrencies were, including Bitcoin, which experienced a sharp decline. The biggest asset manager in the world, asterisk asterisk BlackRock asterisk asterisk, did not, however, announce any withdrawals from its ETFs in the midst of the turmoil. In fact, their inflows reached $394 million on Monday alone, one of the largest levels in recent history. For BlackRock, this wasn't just another dip-buying chance. It was a well-thought-out move that hinted to something much more significant. Such audacious actions by a company of BlackRock's size amid a market decline are frequently a sign that the sell-off was more about strategy realignment than weakness. The fact that a whale made waves earlier today by buying about 150 billion Shiba Inu tokens only heightened the intrigue. In just 1 hour, this whale, who is familiar with the Shiba Inu ecosystem, spent $4 million to purchase 114 billion tokens. What's really noteworthy is that this investment wasn't made at random. It was created by an experienced whale who earlier this year pocketed $8 million in less than a month by selling off 530 billion SHIB coins. There are a number of reasons why their return to Shiba Inu is noteworthy. It first demonstrates a renewed belief in the possibilities of the token. Second, this whale signaled a long-term strategy by diversifying their holdings and accumulating SHIB via 9 different wallets rather than making a single purchase. They still have $7 million in stablecoins, so their buying binge isn't quite done. What might this signify? First of all, whales are not impulsive. They examine trends, signals, and market circumstances. It's important to pay notice when someone with this kind of track record makes such a significant comeback to the market. Critical signals are being flashed by the larger crypto environment in the meantime. The reduction in Bitcoin supremacy is one trend that stands out in particular, as evidenced by a recent chart that was shared on Twitter. According to this graph, Bitcoin's hegemony has entered a period of consolidation, which is a historical prelude to altcoin season. This might be revolutionary for Shiba Inu, one of the most well-known altcoins. There is no better time than now. When altcoin season comes around, smaller coins like SHIB usually do better than Bitcoin and Ethereum. Investors who have been persevering through the volatility are now beginning to feel validated as the signals are coming together. While some panic sold, many are enjoying their decision to hold, and the communal buzz is increasing. The Shiba Inu development team's constant teases about exciting upcoming developments have only served to fan the flames. A prominent member of the Shiba Inu community, Lucy, recently tweeted, "Fun fact, you won't be disappointed if you hold all assets in the ecosystem. You don't have to do anything. Just wait for the several airdrops that are approaching." This is consistent with the previous enigmatic statements made by Satoshi Kusama, which seem to allude to important ecological shifts. Mental health note: most people will love you as you are, he stated in one of his tweets. Black mirrors are uncommon. They make you examine yourself, confront your shortcomings, and emerge from the experience either stronger or more broken. It appears to be a personal reflection at first look. However, it begins to feel like a message to the Shiba Inu community when you relate it to Lucy's tweet about holding and remaining patient. It implies that despite being difficult, the current market volatility may result in a more robust and resilient environment. The thrill doesn't end there. For the future of Shiba Inu, analysts are now making audacious forecasts. According to a well-known market analyst, SHIB is preparing for a 1,700% increase. The long-term cup and handle pattern that is developing on SHIB's weekly chart serves as the basis for our prediction. Our pattern is extremely bullish and usually signals an upcoming breakout. Significant cash could be made available for altcoins if Bitcoin's dominance continues to decline, opening the door for tokens like Shiba Inu to flourish. Analysts are upbeat about SHIB's potential even into the near future, projecting significant price growth by 2025 if the ecosystem keeps growing and market conditions hold up. What does this all mean for owners of Shiba Inu then? It explains why the community is becoming more enthusiastic and upbeat. People are beginning to think that this disaster was just the start of something far larger rather than its conclusion. There is genuine excitement, and the possibility of historic victories is igniting optimism everywhere. How do you feel about this? Leave a comment below with your opinions. See the other videos on this channel if you want to know more. We will now conclude this update. Please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell if you thought this video was educational so you don't miss any more Shiba Inu updates. You could lose a lot if you don't. Additionally, let's spread the news about Shiba Inu's promising future by sharing this video with as many people as you can.